Change country in Google Play Store. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this update, I'll show you how to change your country in the Google Play Store. If you're trying to install an app but can't due to region restrictions, this change in the Play Store will help you out. Enjoy these types of videos on the channel? Seen our other related content? Subscribe, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright folks, let's get started. The process is pretty straightforward. I'll click on the Play Store, then tap your profile picture and select Payments and Subscriptions. Choose Payment Methods, scroll down and click the second to last option, More Payment Settings. This will open a website, okay folks? Exit the app, open a website and click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on Country Region. Click on the option to create a new profile. Click Continue to create a payment profile. Choose your country. Then click Continue. Enter your personal info, name, address, city, state, and zip code. After filling everything, click Submit at the bottom. Did you manage it? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless.